Let us see conditional statements. If is a conditional statement. Here I should mention the condition. If the condition is true, then this block will be executed. I will write cout hello new line. Now I must mention a conditional statement here. See, it is giving an error message that expected expression. So I will write 1. Let us see what happens. Run the program. Now, hello is displayed here. If I write this if as 0, if 0 means it is false. See, here I got a warning that code never be executed. Silence by adding parentheses to mark code as explicitly dead. But still I will run because this is a warning. Program will compile and run. Oh, it's working. It has displayed hello. It means -10 is taken as true. I can use this keyword true also. Now let us add a else block to this one. Here I will display a message cout by and L. Let us run this and see. Only hello is displayed, and here I am getting a warning that this code is not reachable, never executed, because I have mentioned true here. So always it will enter into if block, it will not enter into else block. And instead of true, if I write false here, then still I get a warning that this block will not be executed at all. This block will be executed. Anyway, I can run and see what happens. It will go into else block and display by. Yeah, it is displaying by here. So I can use constant values like 0 or 1 or any other number for true, or I can write keywords like true or false. Let us write a program to take the roll number from the keyboard and check whether the roll number is valid or not. So for that I will declare a variable called roll and cout enter your roll number, in roll. Here we check if roll number is less than 1. Roll number cannot be 0, mostly roll number starts from 1 only. If it is less than 1, then we will say cout invalid roll number, else cout valid roll number. So the common thing found mostly in on any website, if you are registering, they will ask for email. They will check whether your email is right or not. They will ask age or date of birth. If you enter a future date, then they will say, it will give a message that your date is invalid. So that is called as validation. So this is like a validation code. So after taking a roll number, just I am checking whether roll number is valid or not. So roll number cannot be less than 1. So that's what I am checking. If it is less than 1, say invalid, otherwise valid. Let us run and see the program. Enter roll number -1. Invalid roll number. Here is a message. Invalid roll number. 2. Enter. Valid roll number. This is a valid roll number. That's it. So you can try this program on your computer. So I suggest you to try this program by yourself.